A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 26 degrees with snow. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, snow will be heavy at times along with gusty winds. High 30. Winds east-northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. For tonight, snow along with gusty winds at times. Low 21. Winds east-northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. On Monday, flurries and some snow showers in the morning becoming less likely toward evening. High 23. Chance of snow 60%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. And Monday night, cloudy skies early, then partly cloudy after midnight. Low 7. Our 7-day outlook.